boy, this is a treat the whole fam's going to enjoy. We're back in the kitchen now with Dr. Barbecue for our 1-hour supper, making green chili cheeseburger casserole. You were saying these green chili cheeseburgers are popular in the Midwest?
No, in the Southwest. If you go to Albuquerque, you can't get away from them. Everywhere you go, that's what you eat, a green chili cheeseburger. Or anything you eat, they ask you red or green. It's red chilies or the green chilies.
I hear the song. I'm going to stir it up.
Yeah, go ahead. The instinct, right? And Arizona, and it's blended into Colorado, and hatch chilies. That's the magic word that everybody talks about. Right. And that's what we're talking about here. These are technically not hatch, but that's the kind of chilies they use in here. These tomatoes with them mixed right in. It's really a fun thing. The regular is pretty spicy, so I bought the mild today just in case.
Better for the kids.
Yeah, right, exactly.
Do I pour that in?
Yeah. No, let's put the spices first.
Spices first.
I browned up the ground beef for you.
Which, by the way, reminds me of childhood. The smell just reminds me of like mom cooking in the kitchen.
Once you do that, you can make anything. You can throw anything else in there with it.
Kids will love it.
I love
so
ground beef casserole kind of thing. That is granulated onion or garlic. I'm sorry, don't tell Chris.
And this is.
That's the onion. Look at Chris actually putting the onion in.
I love the granulated onions. Fine with me.
You can chop up an onion, salt and pepper. You could chop up an onion if you want, depending on the pickiness of your family members. Okay, now the tomatoes.
Okay.
All right.
So you could use fresh tomatoes as well, but the green chili tomatoes are really a fun thing.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
A tomato would go on a burger. You would put that on your burger. Look at Linda going at it.
Listen, this is mom's cooking right here.
Now, this is just a piece of cream cheese. If you let it sit out for a couple hours, it'll be nice and soft, and then you can mush it into the...
It's not mayo. We're good.
Yeah, I'm glad that's not a rectangle of mayo. No, that looks good. All right, and got some pasta here too?
Yeah, get that mixed up a little bit. And then pasta, half a box of pasta. I like them big rotinis.
Yeah, I like, what do we call these? These are the rotini. Yeah, I like those.
And don't cook the pasta too much. Cook it al dente because it's going to cook a little bit more. This is all going in the oven at some point.
All right.
Throw it in.
Go ahead.
All right.
Look at
there we go.
What a team we are today.
Yes. Well, we're hungry today. We're ready to eat.
And then half of the cheddar cheese. Grab half of that, Chris. We're going to save half to put on top.
All right, half grabbing. Glad I have the gloves on. And
so right now, it's not even about melting it. We just want to get it evenly mixed together.
Okay.
That's about half.
In my house, we put all of that in.
Well, it's going, we're not going to throw it away. It's going on top.
Good.
So when you get that all basically just mixed together, then we're going to move it into the casserole. I've got another one in the oven, so I'm not going to... It's hard to do on TV.
And
but spray this with the spray. Dump that in here. Put the rest of the cheese on top. 20 minutes, 30 minutes, about 30, till it's nice and bubbly and maybe a little brown on top.
I don't know about you, but I'm excited to try that.
Really good.
This is a great 1-hour recipe because it doesn't take, what, 7 minutes to brown the beef. You mix that stuff in, 30 minutes in the oven.
Well, and like the toppings are going to be pickles and bacon, typical ingredients. But I cooked,
he doesn't like that,
I cooked the bacon ahead. I cooked the pasta ahead. Like you could do that the day before. So it's really a nice weeknight supper meal.
Okay, can't wait to try it. If you guys want to try to make it yourself, we've got the recipe for you on fox13news.com. Just look for the section titled Seen on TV, and you'll be eating good too with the rest of us here.
We are back with Dr. Barbecue for our 1-hour supper. He made green chili cheeseburger casserole with some sides. All right, again, tell us what's in here while I'm scooping it up.
So ground beef and then the tomatoes, the Rotel tomatoes with the green chilies in them, a little bit of granulated onion, granulated garlic, cream cheese to kind of make a sauce, a bunch of cheddar cheese.
Oh, wait.
And pasta.
Yeah,
about a half box of rotini pasta. Look how nice and brown it is, though. It really worked out. Leave it in the oven until it looks like that.
Listen, kids would love this.
Now,
this looks like a meal that children would just go, yes, please. Do you want anything on top of it?
Of course I do, if that's bacon.
Yes, bacon. You can go ahead, because I don't want to, like...
I'm just going to...
And you know what? I'm going to do the pickles, because why not?
Well, it seemed like a good idea to serve those things on the side. I didn't want to cook the pickles and the bacon. Not everybody's going to want that. So it kind of worked out good. You could spread it over the whole thing, or just serve it on the side like that.
I'll have extra bacon. Thank you.
Shall I try while you're still scooping?
Yeah, and I want some pickles, too.
Here you go.
There we go.
Cheeseburger toppings, you know, pickles and bacon and...
This is a perfect dinner.
You taste the green chilies?
Everybody, a little bit, yes, but it's like you said, not too spicy.
Yep.
This is going to be so good. I can tell already.
I bit into a pickle, so
I mean, who wouldn't like this? It's the perfect home supper, you know.
This fits my 10-year-old palate. It's right there with everything I need. It's got the pasta inside.
I hid the onions.
You hid the onions? Yeah, this is awesome.
I think kids would have a good time making it, too, because it's pretty simple.
Yeah, not that hard, right? And you could mix it all up away from the heat, you know, and make it, put it in a dish.
That's a cheeseburger without a bun.
So it tastes
delicious.
Yeah, that's what it should be.
Eating and taking mine to the set. If you guys want to try the recipe for yourself, we do have it on our website. That's fox13news.com. Thank you, Dr. Barbecue.